是时候表演真正的技术了。
Whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry.